Excel CUMIPMT function. This function returns the cumulative interest paid on a loan between two periods. It is essential for understanding how much of your loan payments go toward interest over a specific time range. The syntax is CUMIPMT with parameters rate, NPR, PV, start_period, end_period, and type. All 6 arguments are required. Remember that the rate must be adjusted to match the payment period. For example, divide an annual rate by 12 for monthly payments. There are 6 arguments: rate, the interest rate per period; NPR, the total number of payment periods; PV, the present value or loan amount; start_period, the first period in the calculation starting at 1; end_period, the last period; and type, the payment timing, 0 for end of period or 1 for beginning of period. Here's an example. We have a loan with a 9% annual rate, a 30-year term, and a present value of $125,000. We want to find the cumulative interest paid during the second year, which is periods 13 through 24. The type is 0 for end-of-period payments. Note that we divide the rate by 12 and multiply years by 12 to convert to monthly periods. The CUMIPMT function returns negative $11,135.23. The result is negative because it represents money flowing out, an interest payment you make to the lender during the second year of the loan. Watch out for errors. A num error occurs when the rate, NPER, or PV is less than or equal to 0, when the start period is less than 1, when the end period is less than the start period, or when type is not 0 or 1. Key points to remember. The result is negative because it represents an outgoing payment. CUMIPMT is useful for analyzing the total interest cost over specific loan periods. Remember to convert annual rates to per-period rates and years to total periods when working with monthly payments. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. See you in the next one.